How to reset iPad without password. To achieve this goal, you have 4 options. Using third-party software, Find My iPhone, Tunes, or Recovery Mode. 1. How to reset iPad without password by using iOS System Recovery Tool. To reset iPad without passcode, the best way is to use a third-party software called iOS System Recovery. With it, you are able to reset your iPad to factory settings without using a passcode. 2. Reset iPad without passcode via Find My iPhone. Find My iPhone is a great tool on iCloud that one can use to easily reset iPad password. The process is simple, but you'll be required to back up your iPad first. This is because this method will clean up your device. 1. Visit iCloud website. Log in with Apple ID. 2. Go to Find My iPhone, all devices. 3. Tap your iPad's name. 4. Choose Erase iPad. 3. Reset iPad without password on trusted computer. Suppose that you have connected your iPad to iTunes and trusted a computer beforehand. Then you can select to reset your iPad on this trusted computer now. 1. Update iTunes on trusted computer. 2. Connect iPad to computer. 3. Click phone icon in iTunes. 4. Choose Summary Restore iPad. 5. Confirm and wait to reset. 4. How to reset iPad without password in recovery mode. Another way to reset iPad without passcode is to boot your iOS device to recovery mode and then reset your iPad in this mode. By using this way, you still need to connect your iPad to iTunes.